Alright guys, Rusty's Room back again. Bringing another box break. Decided to go ahead and pick up another box of this 2017 Spring Fever, the 10 factory sealed packs. I did break another box of it just the other day. If you want to check out that video, I did get a pretty interesting autograph, to say the least. Worth taking a look, see who it is. One that I wasn't expecting to be in this product, but I'll take it. So once again, just a recap of what it is. It's called the Spring Fever. It's going to be something similar to the bases loaded product here, the 11 packs. Something you can pick up at your local Walmart. There is 10 packs plus one bonus card on the inside. Here's what the bonus cards could potentially be. The one I got out of the last box here would have been the Gary Sanchez, Corey Seager. So there's the price point again, $12 at your local Walmart. Worth picking up. So let's just go ahead and dive in. So there's what the inside looks like. It's the empty box. So it looks like, so I did get the same exact Corey Seager, Gary Sanchez, except for this one is numbered 75 of 5,000. The one I got last time, I believe, was numbered like 400 and something. So that's funny, 2 boxes and I get the same card, but hey, it's Corey Seager, can't complain. So that's what the special bonus card looks like. Double-sided. Let's see what we got. Alright, we got a 2009 Upper Deck X. We got a Fleer Tradition from 2006. There's another 2006 Fleer Ultra. So we got 2 of the 2010 tops. Not a good sign when they're sticking together like that. 2007 Upper Deck. Got a TriStar. What year is this? I'll have to see what year it is unless I'm missing something here. Oh, there it is. Sorry about that. 2008, hiding up at the top. 2008 TriStar. First edition. Be nice if there was a Clayton Kershaw in here. Another pack of the triple play. Not a big fan of those. And looks like 2 more packs of the Fleer. This particular first one I looked at, this feels a little bit thicker. So maybe there's something in there. Or they're stuck together. If you watched the last video, I did have a pack that was completely ruined. Every card was stuck. So I'm just going to go ahead and skip on the triple play. I'm not going to open that on the video, just to cut down on time. There's usually nothing worthwhile in there that I've found. So let's just go ahead and start with the TriStar. But I will say, so far, this box, compared to the last one that I ripped, completely different pack. So aside from the triple play and the 2010, everything looks different, so that's good. They give you a pretty good variety. We got a Will Klein, Aroldis Vizcaino, Julio Teheran, Neftali Feliz, and Lars Davis. So that was the 2008 TriStar. Let's do the 2007 Upper Deck. Alright, Greg Maddux, Oliver Perez, Roy Halladay, Miguel Batista, Gabe Gross, Randy Johnson, Abraham Nunez, and Pat Neshek. All right, let's do the 2009 Upper Deck X. Incredibly shiny pack. Alright, got a Bobby Abreu, Yohan Santana. This one is die cut. Ian Kinsler. Looks like there's a nice Griffey hit. X3 potential. I am a big Griffey fan, so anytime I pull a Griffey out of a pack, I am happy to see that. We got the Ichiro and the Ryan Howard. Alright, moving along here. Let's do the 2006 Fleer Tradition. Francisco Rodriguez, Mike Jacobs, rookie, Ale Soler, rookie, Josh Johnson, rookie, got a Hank Blaylock, Tadahito Iguchi, Manny Ramirez, Lastings Millage, rookie, Gary Sheffield, and Adam Dunn. Alright, let's jump over to the 2010 Topps. Emmanuel Burris, Matt Tuisasopo, Brad Lincoln, rookie, Roy Oswalt, Carl Crawford, Tom Gorzolani, Sean Figgins, Melvin Mora, Garrett Anderson, Kelly Johnson. This card feels interesting. Feels like a painting almost. Might be what it is. Have to check out what that is, but the texture of it, you can kind of see it. Feels like an oil painting. Johnny Mize, Vintage Legends, and a Vernon Wells, another one of these that has the expired code. All right. One more pack of the 2010. Gabby Sanchez, JP Arancibia, Elvis Andrews, Jason Giambi, Arthur Rhodes, Brennan Bosch, Levon Hernandez, Brandon Morrow, Adrian Beltre, Ike Davis, Luis Aparicio, the cards your mom threw out. That's nice. And a Carlos Santana, the expired code. All right, let's tear into the 3 packs here of the Fleer Ultra from 2006. Last 3 in this box. Connor Jackson, rookie. Darren Erstad, Brandon Inge, Home Run Kings, Gary Sheffield, and an Aubrey Huff. This card is Golden Nature. Doesn't seem to be serial numbered. Have to look into that a little bit more. Alright, another pack. Michael Young, Noah Lowry, Bobby Crosby, Mike Piazza, Midsummer Classic Kings. I'm also a Piazza fan, so glad to see him. And Pedro Feliz, another gold version here. Alright, last pack of the box of the break, 2006 Fleer again. This is the one I thought felt a little bit thicker. Could just be that the cards are stuck together. Okay, RBI Kings, Miguel Cabrera. Start off. Luis Gonzalez. Lucky 13 retro of Jeff Jenkins. Nice. Midsummer Classic Kings, Ken Griffey Jr. Like I said, I'm a Ken Griffey fan. Anytime he's in a pack or in a box, I am happy. Craig Monroe. Miguel Tejada. Greg Maddux. And Jose Guillen. Another gold variety. So that's the last of this box. Like I said, guys, $12 local Walmart. Not bad. Give you a quick recap of some of the better hits in the box. And you let me know what you think. I said for $12 it's worth picking up just to see what you can dig up. I did pull an autograph out of the last box, and you'll have to check out that video just to show you, but just a quick recap here. Midsummer Classic Kings of Mike Piazza, Midsummer Classic Kings Ken Griffey Jr. Got it's the Ichiro base, but Ichiro is part of my PC, as well as this Ken Griffey Jr. X3 potential. Then I got this Kelly Johnson. You can see from the texture on it, it feels like an oil painting. So I'm not sure if that's one of the bigger inserts or whatever from that year. But anyway, guys, that'll do it for this break. Please like, comment, subscribe. I will be bringing you more. Like I said, this good product to pick up. So check out the last video if you want to see that autograph. And I'll be bringing you more, one box at a time. Have a good day.